Is your Roborock S7 frozen in fear on
Error
a perfectly
4.
flat floor,
Cliff
screaming
sensor
Error 4? The cliff sensor. Error is a notorious headache for Roborock S7 owners. It happens when your vacuum's eyes, those 6 infrared sensors on the bottom, either get caked in microscopic dust or suffer an internal hardware failure. Essentially, your robot is blinded and too terrified to move an inch. Ignoring this doesn't just leave your floors dirty, it makes your expensive vacuum a high-tech paperweight. Even worse, if those sensors send faulty data, your Roborock S7 might actually lose its sense of balance and take a literal dive down the stairs. But don't worry, RoboCare specializes in this exact robot vacuum repair. We are the leading experts in robot vacuum repair, with specialized knowledge of the entire Roborock lineup. Our technicians don't just look at the surface, they understand the complex internal circuitry and the spatial logic of the Roborock S7. Using advanced diagnostic equipment, we pinpoint exactly which of the 6 cliff sensors is sending faulty signals. Whether it's microscopic dust that has bypassed the seals or an infrared LED that has reached its end of life, we've seen it all. Our repair process involves a precision teardown, a deep internal cleaning of the sensor housing, and, if necessary, a full replacement using genuine components. We take the guesswork out of the fix, ensuring your Roborock S7 regains its eyesight and navigates your home safely again. We've done the work, now let's see the proof. Look at that! This Roborock S7 is back to its floor cleaning glory, navigating perfectly without a single error and flawlessly cleaning. Don't let your robot vacuum stay broken. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.